Bullish Tezos value expectation is $1.65 to $3.68. Tezos cost could likewise reach $5 soon. Bearish Tezos cost expectation for 2022 is $1.28 and Tezos cost expectation 2022. We use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Tezos to dissect the future development of the digital currency. Tezos current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Tezos is $1.38 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,819,598 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, Tezos has expanded by almost 0.4% as of now. Besides, Tezos has a flowing stock of 902,817,970 Tezos. Presently, Tezos exchanges digital currency trades. For example, Binance, Coinbase Trade, Huobi Worldwide, Kraken, and Bitham. What is Tezos? Tezos is the local digital money of Tezos. Tezos is an open-source, brilliant agreement-based blockchain that works with the creation and advancement of savvy contracts and dApps. The blockchain is gotten by a changed verification of stake called fluid evidence of stake. Exchanges are added onto the blocks and approved by a gathering of validators called bread cooks and endorsers. Pastry specialists are the ones who stake XTZ tokens and make new blocks, while endorsers approve the blocks. Clients can stake Tezos tokens to approve impedes and secure the blockchain. Token holders get casting of ballot rights and take part in the organization's administration. Tezos Value Forecast 2022. The above diagram of Tezos spread out a diving channel, plunging channel otherwise called the falling channel. A plunging channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. Right now, Tezos is in the scope of $1.38 assuming that the example proceeds. The cost of Tezos could arrive at the opposition levels of $1.90, $2.83, and $4.12. If the pattern switches, then the cost of Tezos might tumble to $1.32. Tezos backing and opposition levels. The graph underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Tezos. The diagrams show that Tezos has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Tezos could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $3.68 in like manner. In the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Tezos could fall to nearly $1.28, a negative sign. Tezos Value Forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Tezos is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of Tezos lies underneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Tezos is displayed in the diagram above. Eminently, Tezos cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, Tezos has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Tezos whenever. In the interim, the general strength file of the Tezos is 37.82. This implies that Tezos is almost in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Tezos might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Tezos Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Tezos. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Tezos. As of now, the ADX of Tezos lies in the scope of 36.977 and in this manner, it shows areas of strength for it. The above outline additionally addresses the overall instability record of Tezos. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Tezos lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Tezos is at 37.82 in this manner, affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Tezos with BTC, ATH. The beneath outline shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tezos. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activity of XTZ is like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of XTZ increases. When the cost of BTC and ETH decreases, the cost of XTZ diminishes. Tezos Cost Expectation 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Tezos could most likely accomplish $6 by 2023. Tezos Value Expectation 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Tezos could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Tezos could revitalize to hit $7 by 2024. Tezos Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Tezos supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Tezos would revitalize to hit $9. Tezos Value Forecast 2026. If Tezos supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Tezos would revitalize to hit $11. Tezos Value Forecast 2027. If Tezos supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Tezos would revitalize to hit $13. Tezos Value Forecast 2028. If Tezos holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Tezos would hit $15 in 2028. Tezos Value Forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Tezos, it would observe significant spikes. Tezos could hit $17 by 2029. Tezos Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Texas biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Tezos for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, Tezos could hit $19 by 2030. And, with constant enhancements in the Tezos organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Tezos. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Tezos in 2022 is $3.68. However, it could likewise reach $5 assuming the financial backers accept that Tezos is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Tezos? Tezos is the local crypto badge of Tezos. Tezos is an open-source blockchain that works with the creation and advancement of savvy contracts and dApps. 2. Where might you at any point buy Tezos? Tezos has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, Huobi Worldwide, Kraken, and Bith. With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Tezos stage, Tezos has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. On October 4, 2021, Tezos arrived at its new all-time high of $9.12. Is Tezos a wise interest in 2022? Tezos is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Tezos in the beyond couple of months, Tezos is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Could Tezos reach $5? In the long run, in the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Tezos will hit $5 soon. 7. What will Tezos cost by 2023? Tezos cost is supposed to reach $6 by 2023. 8. What will Tezos cost by 2024? Tezos cost is supposed to reach $7 by 2024. 9. What will be Tezos cost by 2025?